Alright, how's it going? How's it going? So today I have 4 Nintendo Switch accessories that I want to show you guys, and also a little bonus travel case for it right at the end of the video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into it. The first cool little product that I want to talk to you guys about is these grips for the Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons. Now these things are amazing. You know the little bar that comes with the Nintendo Switch so you could play 2 players? Yeah, that's not really a go-to thing. That's not it, chief. Now with this is amazing. It's ergonomic. The touch is so sleek and smooth, and the buttons, the SR and the SL, wow, they really make a difference. And they also come with these little thumb grips for the actual joysticks for it. Different levels just so you to get comfortable, and they come in different colors, as you can see. Now this is a great alternative if you don't have 2 Pro controllers or want to invest in more controllers. Literally, this will make it much more easier and amazing for group sessions. Alright, on to the next accessory. Now this is a really good, amazing Nintendo Switch accessory. So this is the Power A Enhanced Wireless Controller. This is a great alternative for the Pro controller. There are different skins and colors for it, but I had to get mine in black and red because my Nintendo Switch has this theme going on of black and red. So yeah, had to keep it all together. It feels good to the touch, however, it is a bit lighter and feels a bit cheaper than the Pro controller. Right here at the bottom, the button that I'm pressing right now is the way to connect it to the Nintendo Switch. There's 2 extra buttons on the back, which is awesome. It is powered by battery AA, 2 AA's. There's the LNR buttons. Nice joysticks. I really like the way it feels and responds, pretty much. A glistering D-pad, which is pretty nice. And all the buttons, they feel solid. They don't feel like super cheap, although the A, B, X, and Y buttons do feel a bit loose, but you know, it's not really big of a deal for myself. It's really responsive. There's not really much lag to it. Oh yeah, that was mini Charizard sneaking in the background. Alright, on to the next accessory. Alright, get out of here. I already talked about you. Alright, so the next accessory that I have here is something for your games. It's a protector case for all your games. Now this holds up to 12 games in there, and actually has more dibs inside of the slots, but that's because you could actually put memory cards in it, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, there is different images and skins for this protector. I got mine with Pokemon because I love Pokemon, and it was red. So yeah, here are my games. There's the slots. The black is rubbery, so it's gonna hold and have your games snugged in and tightly. No need to worry about them falling off. And the outside is plastic. However, the image for me, the Pokemon image, that's actually rubber. So yeah, pretty good actually. Nothing's gonna happen to your games in there, trust. So now you have a case for your games, now you have a case for your Joy-Cons, and now you have an actual good controller. Let's talk about something on the Switch itself. Alright, so what we have here is the actual protection case for the Nintendo Switch console. And I had to go with red because red is my Switch theme. It comes in different colors, and also you get a screen protector for the Switch, which is really good, and you also get some more thumb pads for the actual joysticks. And it's easy to put on. Put it in. Put it in quickly. Is it this one? No, it's this one. Go like that. Like that. Put it like that, and then put it like that. Okay. Alright, quickly looking at the back, it pretty much covers the whole thing except the kickstand and the speaker for obvious reasons. And also, I know I did not clean my my Switch prior to this recording, but I do want to say that the protection case and the actual screen protector does get scratches here and there, which is not too bad because, you know, its job is to protect the Switch, and that's what it's doing. I know some people are specific about their electronics, but trust me, this is a protector. It's doing its job. It covers your actual Switch from scratches. And as you can see, it's slim. It could get on the port. You don't need to take it off. I know that's an issue for some of the Switch cases. But yeah, let's go on to the next and final accessory. This bad boy is pretty much a bonus. It's a Game Traveler Deluxe System case. It's people who move on out and about with their Nintendo Switch. This is like the perfect gift for them, and a perfect accessory, trust. So this thing is a bit huge. It's pretty thick, but it serves its purpose. So with this deluxe case, it comes with 2 pieces of mesh pockets, so you could put your Joy-Cons in there, HDMI cables, cords, all that shebang. It also comes with 2 game card cases, well, I'll show you right now, which means that it could hold up to 8 games. So if you don't have a game protector, game case, then this is the go-to. And also it has a cleaning cloth, which is really great for your Switch, obviously. So here are the sleeves. You could put many stuff in here, just like I said, the Joy-Cons. Here are the game cases, so you could put in 4, but they come with 2. So what's 4 plus 4? That's 8. You get 8. You can hold up to 8 games. Now the inside is very sturdy and very organized, so you will feel good and comfortable putting in your stuff. Now for that slot right there, it's for your controller. However, I don't have a Pro controller, so that's why my Power A controller is a bit loose. But the dock and the Switch fit perfectly and snugly. It feels amazing. And then the extra accessories, you can put it to the sides because there's lots of room on the sides. Last thing that I wanted to put was my game case. Didn't fit there nor there. Just put it to the side. It has enough room for everything, trust me. An amazing gift and accessory for people who are on a go. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was helpful. Hope this gave you an idea of what to get for your Nintendo Switch, because you need to take care of that baby. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is me playing Starlink, showing the controller and the protection case for the Switch in the background. But yeah, please leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe. Peace.
What you got for me? Greetings, indicated Legion Rec. I'm on it.